Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another Trenchless Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, 2024, and today I'm going to be running you guys through a culvert inspection followed by a rehabilitation project from last month in northern Colorado. With this culvert, you can see here the highway runs over the top of this oval 54-inch CMP, and with this one, it is in relatively poor condition. The side of the culvert is rusted. There's a bunch of debris buildup that likely has a rusted invert underneath. And if you zoom in on the picture, you can see some deflections at the crown of the pipe on the left side as well. All in all, a culvert that's not quite in good shape and in need of rehabilitation. So for this one, not necessarily more importantly, but as a side note, it's transitioning into a box culvert. And so with this culvert, as far as needs and budget goes, they are doing the first 50 feet of the culvert, extending it outside the hose pipe, connecting it to the box culvert, and setting it up for either the rest of the work to be done later this year or next spring. So by the end of the installation day, they had grouting tubes running through that hose pipe and over the top of the liner extending outside the hose pipe. At which point, later in the week, they transitioned into the box culvert using adapter that I do not quite have pictures of yet, but we'll share with you guys once I get it. And then next year, they're going to connect the next handful of sticks of snap tight inside that hose pipe, build additional bulkheads, grout the rest of the annular space so they can structurally reinforce this culvert one piece at a time as the budget and time permits. So oddly enough, this is similar to one that I was on site for this morning. It was 42-inch snap tight, 105 feet, slightly extended outside the hose pipe. Later this week and next week, they're going to be building a manhole and connecting it to a box culvert as well. So if you guys have any other projects where you're either extending the culvert or connecting manholes, box culverts, whatever else, feel free to reach out as we can get creative with our solutions and make sure you have a fully structural 100-year design life option to work with. And outside that, hope you all have a great rest of your Tuesday and take care.